In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Analytics account number. Whether you're setting up your website analytics for the first time or making adjustments to an existing setup, knowing where to locate your account number is essential. It's a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, you'll need to visit the Google Analytics website. Open your preferred web browser and type in analytics.google.com. Once you're there, make sure you are signed into the Google account associated with your Google Analytics property. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main Google Analytics dashboard. Here, you'll want to make sure that you're looking at your GA4 property. You can check this by examining the property selection area. It should specify GA4, which stands for Google Analytics 4, the latest version of Google's analytics platform. Now that you're on the correct property, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a gear icon labeled Admin. Clicking this icon will take you to the Admin page, which holds the key to finding your account number. Upon arriving at the Admin page, you'll notice three columns: Account, Property, and View, or Data Stream on GA4. Our focus today is on the Account column, which is the one furthest to the left. Within this column, look for an option that reads Account Settings or Account Details. Go ahead and click on that option. This will take you into the settings specific to your account. Once you're in the account settings, you'll see a range of information related to your Google Analytics account. At the very top, you'll find your account name, which might be something like the name of your business or website. Directly beneath your account name, you'll find the account ID. This is a 9-digit number that uniquely identifies your Google Analytics account. And there, you have it. You've successfully located your Google Analytics account number. Remember, this number is important for a variety of functions in Google Analytics, so keep it handy for when you need it. Knowing how to navigate the Google Analytics interface and locate key details, like your account number, is a vital skill for any website owner or digital marketer. I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying the process for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing.